Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to play Call of Duty Warzone in Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So once you download Call of Duty Warzone, it will say Season 1 and you will be able to see it right here. And once you are on the home page, you can go over to Call of Duty Warzone, and then from here, once it loads, you can now play Battle Royale. And this is basically the big map, which is called Urzikstan, and this is Resurgence, is like the smaller map. But basically, if you want to play Warzone, you just have to click on Battle Royale, choose either quads, trios, duos, or solos, and then you can go ahead and go on from there. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how to play Warzone. And yeah, this is all with Black Ops 6 movement, Black Ops 6 weapons, everything like that. You can go ahead and also access previous game guns as well. So Modern Warfare 2 and Modern Warfare 3 weapons. So that is also something nice to keep in mind. And yeah, that is basically it. And that should be it. That is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.